Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share my monthly maintenance routine or monthly glow up routine. It's a very special month for me because it's my anniversary month. I can't believe it's been 3 freaking years. It feels like yesterday. But yeah, we've completed 3 years of our wedding. It's our anniversary and we are going on a trip. I'm not gonna reveal the location because आगे के vlogs में आपको समझ ही जाएगा कहाँ जाने वाले हैं हम लोग. But yeah, so I have to prep for my vacation. I have to prep for my anniversary. I do this majority of the month, but थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें थोड़ी अलग होगी, थोड़ी extra होगी. We're gonna do my nails. We're gonna do my hair, face, whole body. We're gonna glow up. We need to glow up. So let's do it together, okay? Yeah. Without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First thing first, let's get my nails done. It's looking so bad. It's looking crusty, alright? And this is my inspirational pic that I picked up from Pinterest. I really want to get that Korean velvet nails trend that's going on. It's looking so freaking good. Yeah, I want to get that done and I want to get a pedicure. This is what I'm wearing, keeping it very cash. Let's go. Good morning, it's the next day. I got my nails done yesterday and this is the final result. How stinking cute. It's looking so freaking good. I love it. And today we're gonna take care of the face because yeah, it needs help. I'm gonna do a at-home facial, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is shave my face, and for that I'll be using Fur Face Razor. Now this one is dual-headed. One side has a bigger razor and the other side is smaller. Great for upper lip area or to do your eyebrows. So basically you get 6 blades. I always like to use an aloe vera gel. This is by Urban Botanics. I love that it does not have any preservatives and no added color as well. It's just pure 100% aloe vera gel. So that's what I'm going to use today. Sometimes I also like to use this oil by Plum. It's their grapeseed and sea buckthorn oil. It's a blend of a lot of amazing oils. Always keep a tissue handy while shaving. Eyebrows are done. Next I'm gonna steam my face using this Health Sense facial steamer. कुछ ही seconds में steam start कर देता है. I'm gonna steam my face for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Next I'm gonna use an ultrasonic facial skin scrubber by Agaro. ये high frequency vibrations छोड़ता है that helps in thorough and deep cleaning of the skin. There are 4 different modes: cleaning, lifting, minus ion and plus ion. आज हम plus ion use करेंगे to deep clean my face. I'm gonna use this all over my face, but I'm gonna concentrate it mainly in my T-zone area. Now this tool acts as an extractor and gets rid of blackheads, whiteheads, cleans your facial pores. So ये at home facial के बहुत ही अच्छा tool है. Do not use this on dry skin. You're supposed to use this on wet skin only. At
At first मुझे लगा ये सिर्फ पानी उठा रहा है, but then when I saw the tissue, ew, it picked up all the dirt and grime on my face, and you can see the after. My skin was looking and feeling baby soft. You can clearly see it near the nose area. There is no dirt or grime or blackhead and whitehead. So बहुत अच्छे से deep clean किया है मेरे skin को.
Good morning everybody, it's the next day. आज का last दिन है मेरे पास to get everything done because tomorrow we are leaving and I still have so many things that I still need to do. Plus I have so much work pending as well, तो multitasking करना पड़ेगा. आज सुबह से लेके रात तक हम दोनों side by side try करेंगे to get everything done. So yeah, let's get started. Today I'm gonna start with my hair because आज मुझे hair wash करना है. So I'm just gonna quickly oil my hair a little, give it a chumpy, and then we're gonna give ourselves like a 10 to 15 minute massage to just relax. For oil I'm gonna use the curl nourishing hair oil. ये मेरा favorite hair oil है. As you can clearly see कितना बचा, इतना ही बचा है. This is like my second bottle of this. I've used a lot of oils but I always go back to this. This is great blend of multiple oils actually. Sunflower oil, coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed, hempseed, coconut, argan, jojoba, rosemary, peppermint. So बहुत सारे oils का ये mixture है. If not this, then I go ahead with my coconut oil, like extra virgin coconut oil. Oiling कर दिया, I'm gonna quickly detangle my hair. Something I've been doing quite often recently. It really cuts down my hair wash time. Detangling में ही I think फिर 10-15 minutes जाता था मेरा, but now that I started oiling my hair and detangling it prior, it just takes 5 minutes. Conditioner लगाया और बहुत easily detangle हो जाता है. So I really enjoy this. So yeah. Also in the shower I'm not gonna style my hair. I'm just gonna shampoo and condition my hair. That's it. Probably एक थोड़ा मैं leave-in conditioner लगा सकती हूँ. Normal air dry करने के बाद मैं कल detangle करके अच्छे से Dutch braid करने वाली हूँ. Though that's my protective hairstyle that I always like to rock, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna style my hair once I reach over there. That's my travel hack for you guys. It makes no sense to spend that much time styling your hair, and especially if you are gonna be on a long journey like me. अगर आप train traveling करने वाले हो, it's gonna get ruined no matter what. So it's better to not do that. प्रोटेक्टिव हेयर स्टाइल में डाल दो और वहां जाके सिर्फ आपको स्टाइलिंग करनी है, विच वोंट टेक दैट लॉन्ग. चलो डीटैंगल हो गया. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू मसाज माई स्कैल्प विद दिस लाइफ लॉन्ग मसाजर. This has been my go-to every single day at night for 10 minutes. I do my massage. इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना relaxing लगता है, especially after oil and detangling my hair. This is gonna be like for 10 to 15 minutes at least. तो सिर्फ एक क्लिक करके it's gonna start rotating something like this. This is level 1. Just click it one more time और थोड़ा fast हो जाता है. I like to do it on level 2. और सबसे बेस्ट बात मुझे लगती है कि ये यूज करने के बाद ना बाल ऐसे और नॉट्स नहीं क्रिएट होते हैं. एंड आई हैव यूज्ड दिस विद स्टाइल्ड हेयर एज वेल एंड इट डिड नॉट मेस अप माय हेयर, व्हिच इज व्हाट आई लव अबाउट दिस. आई मीन ये सिर्फ हेड मसाजर नहीं है, फुल बॉडी मसाजर है, बट आई मेनली यूज इट फॉर माय हेड एंड नेक इन दिस एरिया. आई रियली एंजॉय यूजिंग दिस स्पेशली ऑन ऑयल्ड हेयर बिकॉज ये आपके स्कैल्प को शैम्पू के पहले अच्छे से एक्सफोलिएट कर देता है, मसाज करता है, एंड दैट रियली accentuates the blood flow on your scalp, which helps with hair growth, which helps with hair fall as well. So I would highly encourage something like this. आपको किसी के लिए वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि यार 10 मिनट चप्पी कर दे मेरे बालों में. This is gonna do everything for you, and yeah, it runs on charging by the way. इसमें बैटरी नहीं लगती है, so which I love. You just have to charge it and it goes quite long. और इसके नीचे ये भी आता है, you just have to place it something like this. How cute, right? How freaking cute. So I'm gonna let this sit, the oil and everything, let this sit for an hour. तब तक मैं मेरा काम करती हूँ. उसके बाद I'm gonna head into shower and wash my hair, exfoliate, shave, do all of that. तब तक थोड़ा काम फिनिश कर लेते हैं. and I'm gonna let this oil sit for an hour. हाय आई एम बैक। काम करते करते टाइम कब चला गया समझा ही नहीं मुझे. इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट लेट, बट आई finished washing my hair. I've just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and while I was in the shower I also shaved my full body, जो भी है, hand, underarms, leg and everything. So I was just gonna show you guys कि मैंने क्या use किया है while I was in the shower. Now the first thing I like to do before shaving, I love to exfoliate my skin. I feel it just helps. और वो जो ingrown hairs होते हैं वो भी नहीं होते, और जो strawberry that bumpy skin वो सब भी eliminate हो जाता है once you exfoliate your skin before going ahead with a shaver. So this is my favorite body scrub. It's by the Bella Vita Organics. It's the exfoliate face and body scrub grits. और ये यूज करके मैं अच्छे से अपने बॉडी को स्क्रब कर देती हूँ एंड देन वॉश इट ऑफ. एंड फॉर द रेजर आई लाइक टू यूज दिस वन. मैंने बहुत सारे रेजर्स यूज किए हैं बट दिस वन गिव्स मी द क्लोजेस्ट शेव विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. इसमें 3 ब्लेड्स है और ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्लोज शेव देता है. ऑफ कोर्स आई लाइक टू यूज द जिलेट का शेविंग फोम एज वेल. And yeah, this two combo is my go-to for shaving. I do like to wax once in a while, but as I said, once in a while, so like once in 6 months or something. But this is my go-to every single month, and I just like the convenience कि जब भी आप लोग को लगा कि यार कल कहीं जाना है, निकालो, शेव कर लो and you're good to go. अभी the last thing I want to do is put a face mask on to make sure my skin stays hydrated and glowy and supple throughout the month and also throughout my travel plan. So this is the face mask that I'm gonna use. I got it from the Face Shop brand. These are so good. ये मैंने pack of 10 order किया है at a very good and reasonable price. And multiple types के हैं. ये rice वाला मैं आज use करने वाली हूँ on my face. One trick I would like to say is I like to put this in the fridge or freezer. अगर कम टाइम के लिए रखना चाहते हो तो आप फ्रीजर में पॉप इन कर सकते हो for like 5 minutes and then pop this on. It's just gonna depuff and एकदम ठंडा ठंडा जब भी आपके स्किन पे लगता है ना, इतना रिलैक्सिंग फील होता है. So that's what I like to do. And जो भी है I'm gonna massage everything over here. That looks good. I'm gonna let this sit in for 10 to 15 minutes. इस पे तो 10 to 15 minutes लिखा हुआ है, but I like to keep this on till it feels like it's a little dry and सब मेरे skin ने moisture like absorb कर लिया है. And उसके बाद मिलती हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. काफी टाइम हो चुका है और ये सारा एरिया ड्राई भी हो चुका है. I think it's been like 20-30 minutes. So let's remove this. I'm just gonna remove anything अगर कुछ बचा कुचा भी रहेगा and just massage it back into my skin. And I absolutely love it. My skin is feeling so soft and moisturized and juicy. जितने भी चीजें मैंने वो लिस्ट में लिखी हुई थी मैंने almost सारी complete कर चुकी हूँ. The only thing I need right now is a good beauty sleep because कल निकल के हम लोग को जाना है for our anniversary trip, which I'm so excited about. Of course, vlog आएगा and you would know कि exactly हम लोग कहाँ गए थे and everything, all the details, everything will be up pretty soon. तो अगर आप लोगों ने subscribe नहीं किया है अभी तक, please do. What are you waiting for? And with that said, this is the final result. I absolutely love it. I think I'm all ready for the travel plan and काफी लेट हो चुका है, so I'm gonna sleep, take my beauty sleep, and I'll be ready for tomorrow. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. With that said, सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए. Do not forget to check them out. Like करना, share करना, subscribe करना, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload new video. नहीं तो समझेगा कैसे हम कहाँ पर trip पे जा रहे हैं. Right. Stay tuned. Watch where we're going. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I explored the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that man,